In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert page numbers into your Word document. In my Word document, I've got 3 pages, but I need to show this inside the Word document itself. It's very easy to do. Select Insert at the top of your ribbon, and we're going to move over to Header and Footer and select Page Number. Here, we can apply a page number at the top of our page, or the bottom of our page, or within the margin itself. For most people, they use the bottom of the page and plain number 2. This is in the bottom and in the middle. Select this once. Automatically, it has added page 1, page 2, and page 3. Make sure to select Close Header and Footer, and you can still see them at the bottom of your page. To verify that this has taken place and it's correct, select View at the top of your ribbon, click Navigation pane. Click on Pages, and we've got page 1, page 2, and page 3. It even navigates to that page for you as well. In a matter of seconds, you have added page numbers to your Word document. If this tutorial has helped you, click like, hit subscribe, and click on that notification bell. And if you learn more about page numbers and maybe how to insert them on certain pages, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.